everybody, it's Lee here again today, and I'm going to be going over the Superman punch. First thing is I'm going to go in step by step in depth about it, and then after that we're going to talk about neutral position with the attack, offensive, and defensive. But let's get right into it. Alright, so the first step is when you're in your neutral fighting position, your back leg, or your right leg, or left leg, but it's going to be the back leg, is going to shoot from the bottom. Not too high, guys. The high is more for dramatic effect and movements, etc. But in this one we want to keep it low. So like so. My back leg is going to go forward. At the same time, my right arm with my shoulder is going to launch back. Now, after that, the next step is you're going to shoot the lead leg that you're shooting out backwards. And this is going to prep the launch for the punch. The last step is pretty much from here, you jump and you punch with it. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to talk about is standard position of the Superman punch. So when I talk about standard, it's pretty much you're still in neutral and you're in your circle. You're really not going to be moving. So like I talked before, this is for maybe if they're coming at you or you're just right in front of you. So like so, like that. Alright, the next one is I'm going to talk about offensive. So this one is kind of like usually my favorite. It's pretty good for small guys too, or bigger guys. It just closes the gap and is very explosive. So offensive position, that's the one you're going to be dashing forward. So you cover up much more space. Defensive is let's say you have to evade, dodge, or block. I mean, more dodge or evade is when they're coming at you and you're going to dash back and then you're going to throw the punch. So here we go. Like so.
Alright guys, now that we talk about in step by step and practicing it to see how it applies in real combat, I got a couple of matches here I'll use for you guys. Here he throws a cross. I'm able to block with my lead and throw the Superman. This is more of a level change with the Superman punch. We exchange roundhouses here. He throws a jab. I'm able to fade out. He throws another one, but I have enough distance to throw the Superman and close the gap. Here you can see me using a feint once. Throw another one and right into the Superman. It doesn't land clearly though, just on his glove. A little spin fake here. Throws lead, I backspin, he gets out the way, but it is enough strange for me to get the Superman. It's very explosive, so you can close the range and get people off guard with it. Here, level change, a little feint to the mid right here. Here he throws a leg kick, I move out, throws a lead for skipping. As soon as he recovers, in the process, I throw the Superman. Be able to capitalize. Now be careful throwing it though, because you guys are going to close the distance, so you're not going to get ready to clinch or whatnot. But here he gets me in a hold, I'm able to push him off. This one I set up with a leg kick one time. Returns back a jab. Throw another one to get him to focus on that. And then I'm able to mask it.
That's pretty much it for today, guys. If you guys like the content, please like, subscribe, or give me some feedback as well. Thank you very much.